Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable DirectPlay in Windows 10 PC. So first of all you have to do go to start and search control panel. Click on control panel. View by select category. Now click on program. Now click on turn Windows features on or off. Click on legacy components. Check this box DirectPlay. Now click on OK. Wait for a while till the processor will be complete. When the processor will be complete, you will see this note, Windows completed the requested changes. Close it and restart your PC. I hope you like this video, and by this easy and very simple setting, you can enable DirectPlay in Windows 10 PC. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe this channel for latest update. Thanks for watching this video.